to Initial Speed. Today, the Jetta, it's basically little things. The Jetta, I've been noticing there's a sound on the passenger side, and I've narrowed it down to the dust shield on the rear of the vehicle. So we're going to remove that, then look into the Audi's extra handbrake caliper, and then we'll see where the day goes. Let's get this done. Omar's been yelling at me for a while that I should pull the wheels out, stance it a little bit. So I'm going to look into that, see if I have the right size spacers to make that work. So as per usual, working on a car, I have the right size spacers, but because of the Euro setup with the nut on the stud, I don't have any long enough. Another day's problem, I guess. Oh well. Let's get to this dust shield that I'm supposed to be removing. So I went deep into the stash and found some longer lug bolts. I just have the front done. Take a look. So I have 7 mil on the front. Still could come out just a little bit more, but we'll run that for now. Get Omar off my back. And I think I'm going to run 10 in the rear. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Yeah, there you go. It has broken off, so rotted out. Volkswagen, you cheaped out. Very disappointed in you guys. All right, here we go. Let's see what this side looks like. Well, that's better. You're gonna have to wait to get a better look. Time for the other side. Oh wow, huge difference. This is so sunk in, and even though it's just a couple mil, makes a huge difference. No, I'm not gonna go crazy with this one. This is the daily. There you go, Omar. And thank you for pushing me to do it. Just needs low. The fronts could come out a little bit more, but I don't have the right spacer for that. So there you go, it's almost flush. Maybe another 2 mil, 3 mil. And the fronts could come out maybe another 4 or 5 mil, something like that. But for the most part, looks a little bit nicer. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Time to work on the Audi. So the handbrake caliper. I had one of the bolts back out on me as I was driving. Luckily, there was a gentleman that was nice enough to let me know. I knew I ran over something, but I couldn't see it. And the gentleman pulled up alongside and told me that I had dropped, he thinks that I dropped a bolt. So of course I turned around, took a look, grabbed it. This bolt for the handbrake. Let's get it back inside, shall we? So, got the bolt back in the handbrake caliper, and I think that's it for now. Dinner time. Take a look. Bolt is back in the handbrake. Bolt is back in the handbrake caliper. Put the wheel back on. Everything under here looks good. And we'll just go and enjoy it. Thank you for watching Initial Speed. I'm out.